Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the date and time in this device, or how to change the date and time in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option additional settings, then tap on date and time, then you need to deselect this one, set time automatically. If you want to change the time, select this one, deselect this one, and you can easily change the date and time in this device. Now it's Wednesday 12 June 2024, time 13:12. That means I set the time format 24 hours. That's why you can see the time like this, 13:12. So here I am going to change to 12 hours. Now you can see 1:12 p.m. Okay, so if you want to change the date, tap on this one, then you can easily change this time also. Okay, so simply in this way you can set the date and time in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.